Hey everyone, welcome back to Stockwisp, your go-to channel for smart investing tips that actually work. Today we're diving deep into high dividend REITs for 2025 and showing you how even beginners can safely earn passive income with them. Imagine making money every month without constantly checking the stock market. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with the right REITs, you can earn a steady passive income safely, even if you're just starting out in investing. In today's video, we'll break down high dividend REITs step by step. First, we'll understand what a REIT is and how it works. Then, we'll discuss why high dividend REITs are important in 2025 and how to choose safe REITs. After that, I'll show you the top 3 beginner-friendly high dividend REITs that are perfect for earning passive income. Segment 1. What exactly is a REIT? REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Essentially, it's a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a portion of the income generated, usually through dividends, without directly buying or managing properties yourself. Segment 2. Why high dividend REITs are important in 2025. High dividend REITs are particularly interesting in 2025 because they can provide a steady stream of income even in uncertain markets. The economy is shifting, and sectors like industrial, healthcare, and data centers are seeing consistent growth, meaning higher dividends for investors like you. Segment 3. How to choose a safe REIT. Choosing the right REIT is crucial. Here's what to look for. 1. Dividend yield. Look for REITs with consistent high yields, but avoid extremely high yields that might be risky. 2. Track record. Focus on REITs with a solid performance history. 3. Sector stability. Certain sectors like residential, industrial, and healthcare are safer bets. 4. Liquidity. Make sure the REIT is publicly traded so you can buy and sell easily. Segment 4. Top 3 high dividend REITs for beginners in 2025. Here are 3 REITs that are beginner-friendly and provide reliable dividends in 2025. 1. Realty Income Dividend Yield, 4.8%, focus on retail/commercial. 2. Medical Properties Trust Dividend Yield, 5.5%, focus on healthcare. 3. Digital Realty Dividend Yield, 3.9%, focus on data centers. Disclaimer: always do your own research before investing. Segment 5. How to start investing in REITs. Getting started is easier than you think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Open a brokerage account that allows REIT investing. 2. Decide how much you want to invest. Start small if you're a beginner. 3. Research the REITs you're interested in and check their dividend history. 4. Buy your shares and consider setting up dividend reinvestment for compounding growth. Segment 6. Key tips for beginners. A few quick tips to maximize your REIT investments. Diversify across different sectors. Avoid chasing extremely high yields. Focus on sustainability. Reinvest dividends for long-term growth. Stay informed on market trends, but don't panic during volatility. And that's a wrap on high dividend REITs in 2025. If you're looking to earn safe passive income and start your investing journey, these tips will put you on the right track. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a smart investing tip from Stockwisp.